Deals on its own without products not gonna work, because you need to add products to the deal. Okay, now deal can be created because there are products now. Okay, no deals created so far. Let's create one. Let's call it buy one get one free pizza. Call it, let's say, buy one get one pizza deal, or buy one get one free, whatever you want to name it. This deal will have this deal has 2 pizza and 2 drinks. You can choose any pizza of your choice. Okay, now these are the deal items. We are now talking about the deal items. Okay, these are deal items. We want to include pizzas first, or you want to include drinks, but I want to have pizza first. You have category, you have product. Category will show you the categories that customers select from. Once, for example, if you select pizza, it will show you the list of pizza. If you do want to include category pizza, you want to have only one particular product, for example, a veggie pizza only in a deal, for example, a veggie pizza deal. Then you select pizza and it will give you options. Then you select whichever options you want. But I don't want this. I want customers to have choice to select between the pizzas, whichever pizza they want. Okay. Now, how many pizzas are included? 2 pizzas. Okay. Now, there is 2 things: base price, covered price. Covered price, whatever is the price of the usual price of the pizza that customer choose. For example, let's say Italian pizza. Then the price will cover up to that price. If you increase this price, that means customer can select as many products, up to maximum 2 products, and the price can go up to this price, covered price. If the covered price is low and that price goes above that, customer will be charged extra. Okay, let's change this to £20 and the base price is £15. This buy one get one free is £15 a package. Okay, if customer choose a pizza which costs more than £20, the 2 pizzas cost more than £20, customer will be charged extra of that £20. For example, if that costs £22, customer will be charged £2 plus £15. Okay, now is it optional? No, it's a required option. It's not optional, it's compulsory option. Okay, we want to add the drink part of it as well, because in the description we mentioned we want customers to have 2 drinks. Okay, again, category, the customer will select drinks. Okay, I will name it something, choose your drinks. The drink that costs more than £3, customer will be charged extra. Is it optional? No, it's not optional, it's compulsory again. Okay, now I will give it a title as well. Let's give this a title, name it. If I don't give it a title, it will complain. So I have to give it a title, choose your pizza. Okay, that's all for the time being. I will save it. The deal has been saved. 1 deal has been added so far. You can see the deal runs always. That means this deal is available always. If you don't want that deal to always be available, it will be limited from X date to Y date. Then you click on this particular gear, and then it will open the same deal management window again. From here, you can give it a date. You want this deal to end at the end of this month, for example. And it can start anytime. It start from now, start from tomorrow. If you want the deal to start from tomorrow, you click the next day. And if you just want it to start from any time, just leave it empty, click on save. Okay, so end date is this, start date is not assigned, it's any date. If you want to assign it, for example, you simply go about, select the date and click on save. Okay, the date will assign and we'll assign starting date. If you want to delete the date, click simply on delete, but remember the deal will be permanently deleted. We don't want to do that. Okay, deal has been added. Quickly test the deal, how it works. Click on that. Now you have to choose the options, required options. Okay, there's no optional option. We want to have optional option as well. If you want me to demonstrate how optional option works, you have to update this. Click on that. Add another deal, call it optional. You want customer to, for example, select something extra, selected category from here, click on save, chips has been added. I'll go back to my deal. If you go here and click on optional option, I want customer to be able to select chips if they want to include it. You go to chips, and customer has to pay extra. Covered price is 0. That means whatever the price of chips, customer will be charged that price. If I increase this again, then unfortunately customer will pay the difference. Optional, customer doesn't have to select it. If it's not optional, customer has to select it. Would you like chips? For example, you want your employees to see this title. Click on save. That's all for the time being. 3 items are there. Now click on that. Customer place an order. You click on that. You can see chips is optional. It's already included. Customer will be charged £1.50. If you don't want it included, click on that. Okay. So that's it. If you continue, you won't be able to do anything because the main 2 options products aren't selected yet. Okay, if you click on that, this is what would happen. I will get rid of chips, for example. Customer doesn't want chips. A veggie pizza, it has variation. If you have a look, there's fixed item and variant item. This is fixed item, and the price is always fixed. It doesn't have many features. It will be added directly. If you don't want that, for example, you want veggie pizza, they want medium. Okay, there's Italian pizza, they want Italian pizza as well. They can increase the quantity of veggie pizza if they don't want another one. They want medium again. They don't want onions. Instead of onions, they want 2 chili. If the chili had price, then customer would be charged extra price. Because it doesn't have price, we didn't give it a price, so customer won't be charged with the extra price. That said, click on continue. You won't be able to do anything because one of other required options is still pending. We need to select a bottle of drink. It has been selected. Can we proceed? No, because it shows in red. Whenever it turns in green, that means you can proceed. If you click continue again, no, because it can say you need to select another one. If you have a look, 1 of 2 has been selected. This is 2 of 2 selected. Okay, 1 more. That's it. Okay, customer will be charged 0.98p extra. Why? I will show you quickly why. Okay, why customer would be charged that much extra? This is part of the deal, because the setup we have done, they will be charged extra. Unfortunately, if you have a look at the price of drink, if you quickly, let's go here. If you have a look at the price of water, it's £1.99 per each. Customers are allowed to select 2, haven't they? So what we can do is, in this case, we need to increase this price. If it's £1.99, we increase it, for example, £4. Okay, this way. Now we will want to get rid of this one. Okay, this way. Now if you go that, select your option, for example, let me get rid of this, choose something slightly different. Okay, now for the bottle of drinks, if you select 2 drinks, customer won't be charged extra. Okay, if you don't want customer to pay for that, you just get rid of that. Okay. Now there are 2 prices here. If you have a look, no deal price and deal price. What is no deal price? If you combine all of these products, calculate them, they add up to £19.97p. However, with the deal, we have given customer special deal. They will be charged £15. They will save quite a few pounds. If you go here, I will select this one as well for testing purpose. If you go here, customer saved technically £4.97p. And you know why they saved? The actual price is more, but customer saved this much. Due to what? If you go here, due to the covered price. Okay, this is how much customer is covered up to. Okay, this is the deal price. All right, that's it for the deal. You can include note in the deal as well. This is my note, etc. You can increase the quantity or leave it as 1, or you can simply remove it from the card. Okay, I will continue or just press on that. It will be still added. I will click on continue. Okay, beside that, if you want to quickly add a product, you want to have a look how product and deal will look.